Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, aspiring authors and editors. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we make learning engaging and inspiring. Today we are going to master two crucial features in MS Word, the table of contents and the index. These tools are essential for organizing long documents and making them easy to navigate. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First of all, section number 1, Introduction to Table of Contents. What are table of contents? A table of contents or talk provides an organized overview of your document structure, making it easy for readers to find specific sections. To create a talk, you need to use heading styles consistently throughout your document. How to apply heading styles? First, let's apply heading styles. Highlight a heading, go to the Home tab and select a heading style. Repeat this for all the headings and subheadings in your document. Section number 2, Inserting a table of contents. How to insert table of contents? Once your headings are styled, it's time to insert the talk. Place your cursor where you want to insert the talk, typically at the beginning of the document. Go to the References tab and click Table of Contents. Choose a style from the drop-down menu. Word will automatically generate a talk based on your heading styles. You can press Ctrl plus click to jump directly to the section. Click on any entry, Ctrl plus click and jump to the section. Section number 3, Updating the table of contents. If you make changes to your document, you need to update the talk. Go to the References tab, write something, differences between table of contents and index. Click on Home tab and select the style. Then go to the References tab and click on Update Table. Then click on Update Entire Table. Click on OK. Always remember to update your talk after making significant edits to ensure it remains accurate. Section number 4, Customizing the table of contents. How to customize the table of contents? You can customize your talk to better fit your document style. Go to the References tab and then click Table of Contents and then Custom Table of Contents. Here you can adjust the levels, styles and formatting. Fancy style, levels 2, then click on OK. Customizing the talk helps you match it to your document structure. Replace this table of contents? Yes. Section number 5. Introduction to index. What is an index? An index lists the key terms and topics in your document along with the pages they appear on. It's a great tool for readers who want to quickly find specific information. To create an index, you first need to mark the entries, highlight a word or phrase you want to include, highlight it, then click on Mark Entry. A dialog box will appear where you can customize the entry. Click Mark to add it to the index, then close it. Section number 6. Marking index entries. Repeat this process for all the terms you want to include in the index. You can also mark multiple occurrences of a term by clicking Mark All. Highlights a text, then click on Mark Entry, click on Mark All. Click on Mark All, then close it. This ensures that all instances of a term are included in the index. Section number 7. Inserting the index. How to insert the index? Once you have marked all the entries, place your cursor where you want the index to appear. Go to the References tab and click Insert Index. Choose a format and click OK. Word will generate the index listing all marked terms along with their page numbers. Section number 8. Updating the index. How to update the index? Like the talk, the index need to be updated. If you make changes to your document, click anywhere in the index, then click on Update Index. This ensures that the index remains accurate and up to date. And that's it for today's lecture on creating a table of contents and index in MS Word. These tools are invaluable for organizing and navigating long documents. Practice these skills to make your documents more professional and reader friendly. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.